Now, my name is Patrick. I want to do a tutorial on how you can use Changelly exchange to swap your pass to Ethereum. Then at the same time, you go to Remitano and trade your Ethereum for your local currency, and it will pay to your bank account straight. Now this is the process. Now this is Changelly. I want to swap pass for Ethereum in Changelly exchange. So you type 13 pass and you will get 0.8 Ethereum. Then next, after typing, you click swap now. When you click swap now, then you'll be given enter the Ethereum destination address. Now I'm going to copy my wallet address from Remitano. You go to your Remitano. When you go to Remitano, okay, let's start again so you understand it. This is my Remitano account. You click menu, you go to dashboard, you click dashboard, then you click wallets. When you click wallets, it will bring you to this place. Then choose which of the wallet. Now we want to copy deposit wallet address for Ethereum. This is your wallet address in Remitano. You copy it. Now I've copied it. Then you go straight to your Changelly. You add the Remitano Ethereum wallet address right here. Then you click next. When you click next, you click confirm make payment. When you confirm make payment, now they will say send pass to this address below to receive Ethereum. Now you are going to send pass from your IM token wallet where you have your pass. Then this pass will be converted and sent to your Ethereum wallet address in Remitano. This is how Changelly works. Then all we need to do is now copy this wallet address and send pass to it. Now we go to our IM token account. You go to IM token. When you go to IM token account, you pay 13 pass to that wallet address that was given to you by Changelly. Now, when you do that, the money will go straight to your Remitano account. It will go straight to your Remitano account. Now, let's pay 13 pass from this IM token wallet account. Then the money you are paying now will go straight to your Remitano account, where you can now trade for your local currency. So this is a very easy way of selling your pass, and all you need to do is, now let's paste the Remitano. Let's paste the wallet address from Changelly, and here we are going to type 13 pass. Then click next. Okay. You enter your password. Once you enter your password here and you click send, then you wait a while. You are going to receive the money in your Remitano account. When you receive the money in your Remitano account, then you can now trade that Ethereum. You are sending pass now. Changelly is going to send Ethereum to your Remitano account. Then when it hits your Remitano account, you now trade your Ethereum for your local currency through peer-to-peer system in Remitano. This is how it works. Thank you very much.